Hello, this is Janne. Today I will going to cover easy way to do the maintenance in home with Lacrosse ball, baking roll and with the massage gun. Let's now get into the topic of this video. You can find Lacrosse fascia or massage ball almost everywhere in a bigger store. It's very good for the self-maintenance and you will need to use your imagination and you will get your maintenance done quite easily. If maintaining is causing a lot of pain and afterwards you feel inflammation signs, then you have gone too far. It's all about the relaxing of the muscle and easing the ischemic area. If you want to find out more about different pain mechanisms, then you can go up to this corner and check this video. If you are using baking roll covered with grip, then recommended keywords for the search should be aiming for the foam rolling, and same stuff also goes for the massage gun. I bought this cheap massage gun from the Amazon and links will be down at the description. Inside of the box you can find charger for the gun itself and 6 different kind of heads. We have all sort of big ball, small ball, this kind of stuff, and also this is some sort of trigger head. Depending on the surface area and what muscle you are doing the massage, you can change the head and find out what does it purpose the best way. The gun is really easy to maneuver. There is a plus sign increasing of the force and minus sign decreasing on it. On right display there is a battery status and it's in percents. First you wanna have some sort of anatomy picture from the Google. Use words upper limb muscles or you can use really easy program Essential Anatomy. You can find this software from the Microsoft Store. Demo version is free and you are able to easily start with that. Once you find the muscle that you want to have maintained, then put to YouTube equipment and then the muscle's Latin or English name. Check first 5 ones about the posture where they are doing the maintenance. If they all look quite the same, then it's okay to start trying with that. Essential Anatomy is the program what I use in my office. Full version was around $16 in Microsoft Store and you can find really detailed information from there. Android version of similar software was $90 per year, so not my cup of tea. Lacrosse ball is excellent way to treat areas where you want to be using your body weight for the massaging. Good example is trapezius. You just place the ball top of the muscle structure, then you lean forward, for example to wall or door, and then you are able to do the massage in there. But in overall, for the smaller areas or hard to put weight on it, I would use the massage gun. For the bigger areas or upper neck, I would go with the baking roll. Find out what is the structure size and then use the equipment what you need to have in that. Be safe. All necessary links are down below and see you at the next one.